Let's just get you details as far as the death by a dowry in Noida is concerned. Now, in a development that casts a shadow over the version given by the family of Nikki Bharti, who was allegedly set ablaze for dowry in Greater Noida. Some of her in-laws were present at her funeral, at her last rites. It was her father-in-law who played a key role in her last rites. Remember that soon after the news of Nikki's murder emerged, her family had claimed that her in-laws were absconding. In fact, her in-laws were on the run. They were finally caught by the police. All the four members, including her husband, are in the custody of the police. Now, a video of the last rites that were held in Noida have emerged, in which you can see family members of her in-laws, that includes her father-in-law, participating in the last rites. This was the last rites of Nikki that were held. An FIR was only formally lodged after her last rites were performed.
मेरे साथ कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं जो इस समाज में सालों से शादियां करवाते आए हैं। उनसे बात करते हैं कि आखिर दहेज को लेकर क्या कुछ प्रथा है और शादियां किस तरह से होती हैं। दहेज को लेकर शादी में किस तरह से बात होती है और कैसे दहेज का जो कितना दहेज लेना है या देना है वो तय कैसे होता है।
देखिए, एक बिचौलिया के माध्यम से बातें होती हैं। जो लड़का बता रहा होता है तो उससे पूछा जाता है भाई इनका कोई दान दहेज की मांग तो नहीं है। वो लड़के वाले से बात कर लेता है। किसी की मांग होती है, किसी की इच्छाएं होती है तो वो बिचौलिए को बता देता है कि भैया मेरी इच्छाएं हैं, मेरे पड़ोसी में शादी हुई थी, आप ऐसी करा दो। या फिर लड़के के परिवार वालों से पूछ लेते जाता है कि भैया तुम्हारी कोई इच्छाएं तो नहीं है, उन्हें बता दो, अगर हमारी हिम्मत है पूर्ति करने की तो उन्हें कर देंगे, अन्यथा हम कहीं और लड़का देख लेंगे।
शादी के 9 साल बाद क्या कोई दहेज मांगता है, ऐसा कोई मामला सामने आया है? इस मामले में कहा जा रहा है कि दहेज मांगा जा रहा था, 9 साल शादी को हो गए थे। क्या समाज में ऐसे मामले सामने आते हैं?
कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो कहने के लिए तो ये हम 1 रुपये का रिश्ता ले रहे हैं, लेकिन बाद में वो उस बच्चे को परेशान करने लगते हैं और उस पर डिमांड रखनी शुरू कर देते हैं वो, जिसकी वजह से ये कारण बनते हैं।
सुना है कि जो शादियां होती हैं गुर्जरों में, उसमें महंगी गाड़ियां और पैसे बहुत चलन देने का बहुत चलन है।
जी जी, गाड़ियाँ महंगी दी जाती हैं, लेकिन बेटी वाले को अपनी अकॉर्डिंग जैसा लड़का देखते हैं। अगर मध्यस्थता जो कराते हैं उनसे पहले पूछ लिया जाता है कि अगर औकात होती है उसकी तो उनसे हम हाथ मिला लेते हैं, अन्यथा नहीं करते हैं। कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं कि फिर बाद में बीच में उन डिमांडों को रख लेते हैं कि दहेज के लिए, कि बोला कि गाड़ी तो छोटी तय हुई और उसके बाद में फिर कि बोला कि नहीं नहीं मुझको तो बड़ी गाड़ी है, तो मान सम्मान के लिए फिर बेटी वाला उनको गाड़ी भी देता है।
आपके समाज में क्या कोई कोशिश करता है कि दहेज का चलन बंद हो, ये बंद हो जाए? बहुत लंबे समय से चला रहा है।
देखिए, बहुत बार कोशिश की गई है, बहुत बार पंचायतें भी हुई हैं इस विषय पे। अगर कोई दहेज ना ले ना दे, 5 आदमी की बारात बुला के तो भी शादी हुई है समाज में, ऐसा नहीं हुई है। कुछ लोग चंद ऐसे भी होते हैं, मैं चाहता हूँ कि दहेज में समाज में दहेज बंद हो जाए और मेरे लड़के को मिल जाए, ऐसे भी लोग हैं भैया। लेकिन हम सामर्थ्य देखते नहीं। मुझे चाहे 2 बीघे ज़मीन बेचनी पड़ जाए अपनी, पर दूंगा स्कॉर्पियो ही। ये भी व्यवस्थाएं हैं लोगों की।
Now, Vipin Bharti, the husband, the main accused in the case, was a repeat offender. He was already named in a 2024 case of assault and exploitation, which was filed by another woman. According to sources, Vipin was then in a relationship with the complainant, despite being married to Nikki. To remember, he was married to Nikki for 9 years. The matter escalated when Nikki and her sister caught Vipin with this other woman. In an attempt to prove his innocence, he started to beat up this woman, after which he filed an FIR against him. My colleague Anushka joining us in order to get us details. Anushka, take us through the latest in this case. And of course, this man, a repeat offender who had beaten up another woman he had been in a relationship with. The family, is claiming that this kind of torture is something that she was subjected to over the past 9 years. There were many objections that were being raised, whether it was the work that she was doing, she was made to stop working, and then finally when she decided that she needed to work again, given the fact that both the brothers were unemployed, they weren't making any money, so it was the sisters who needed to, earn their bread and butter, needed to make ends meet.
That's right. There were several different angles coming to this, case that we are seeing right now. We did see that yesterday, Nikki's father had claimed that there was only the father-in-law who was present at the last rites of Nikki. Every other, people had in fact fled the scene after, she was, set ablaze by her husband allegedly. Now the police is investigating on this angle because there is a new CCTV that has come up that shows that while this incident took place, Vipin Bhati was outside his home and was in fact at a shop nearby. Not just that, Nikki's sister has in fact also claimed that she was in fact subjected to a lot of beating by his husband just because she was earning, and she used to make Instagram videos, and that is why it used to enrage Vipin Bhati that why should she earn while he was doing nothing, and that is why also this case had happened. Not just that, there is an FIR that has surfaced, and Nikki and her sister Kanchan had confronted Vipin Bhati outside of the vehicle in which he was hanging out with that woman with whom he was allegedly having an affair. After he was caught red-handed, because he wanted to cover his track, he started beating that woman up, after which the woman went to Jacha police station, that is in Greater Noida, and lodged a complaint in which she had clearly stated that Vipin had called her outside her village residence, and after that he started physically assaulting her, and that is the FIR that was lodged on October 2024. After that, we are seeing that this fresh case has in fact come up where Nikki's father has in fact alleged that they used to ask money quite often from Nikki's father, and after which they used to assault Nikki when they did not get the money by all of that. But we are seeing that multiple angles have come up in this particular case, and we are seeing that the police, while they are investigating, Nikki's family continues to maintain the fact that Nikki was set ablaze by their in-laws, and we are seeing different photos and different FIRs that has come to surface since yesterday. Over to you.